It's race day, people! Woo! Alright, so before we can go racing, we gotta put tires back on. And this is a headache. So it's a leaf spring car, as you see. So you jack the body all the way up, put it on jack stands on the frame, and let the rear end droop. And it's still a pain to get them in there. These slicks are a little taller, so these are 29s. We typically run a 275/60 radio. We got some, but everywhere's closed to put them on. So I'm fighting with these slicks to try to get them in the car. So you basically have to put it in here, roll it on top, and then we got 3-inch long wheel studs, so it sucks. It's a hard thing about a leaf spring car, but let's get these on, get them aired up, and then load the trailer. Yep. Just going. I'll be here for a while. So now we all loaded up. About to go clean myself up, and we're gonna hit the road.
Well, boys, we're en route. We got Dad. Yay! But I had the car a little too far back there on the trailer, and with this wind, like, look at this sign. Wind's rough right now, and she's pushing it back, you know, swaying the trailer really bad. So we just stopped on the side of the road, pulled it up, probably about a good 8-10 inches. She's a lot of weight right now on the tongue, but it's not swaying as bad. So headed to River City Raceway, Dyersburg, Tennessee. We got a little bracket race going on. You know, sometimes we bracket race. You know, it's still my dad's car, and he was kind enough to let me take it. You know, and then soon we'll be up there and be making passes. It'll be the first time I drove in like 7 months, so don't expect to go many rounds today. This is more of just like a fun trip. But let's get up there, get our spot, get the car unloaded.
Guys, going up, time trial number 1. Let's go. It starts better. You got that going for it. That was a really good time for my head, dude. So we'll see how we did. This is a really short shutdown. I don't know how the hell Brian be stopping out here, but he does. Well, let's see where we ran, baby. All right, so this was first pass. Excuse the light. Yeah, it's been a minute, and spun pretty good out the hole. Kind of spun, kind of shook the tires. I don't know. I'm going up in wheel tire pressure, and we'll see what happens.
dust off. I think some fuel spilled out. He's probably cussing me right now. Got the start line. Randall's used to it though. Alright, go get the ticket. Alright, so now we're getting better. 733, 506 light, 733, 92. So it's getting there. Alright, second round qualify. Let's go. Top out. That was a good light, but we'll see. All right, so 732 is the quickest this car has been with this this motor. 591 light though, we gotta tighten that up. Round one coming up. I think I'm gonna put a 33 on it. I might regret it if it goes to 32, but whatever, we'll buy back. I ain't worried about it. Pretty sure we're putting a 33 on it. I guess we'll know when we go up there. All right, so I ended up putting a 32 on it. Ooh, the hair. Put a 32 on it. We're gonna see what happens. Got this big long Camaro over here. Got a big long Camaro thing. Check it out. Buy back. Let's see how bad red I went. I went in kind of far, but we'll see. got there first.
Well, guys, I killed him on the tree, and I let out, but he did catch me by 0.003 of a second. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. If I would have stayed in, it wouldn't have broke out. Although I did kill 7 miles an hour.
Well, boys, we sucked. I mean, we already knew that. But car did great. I sucked. The last pass, I let out 7 miles per hour, and he clipped me by 0.003. Oh well, what can you do? Hey, I had fun. Definitely worth $100 for the fun. Definitely. So that's gonna wrap up this video. I thank you guys so much, and you know, tell me how bad I sucked down in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. All right, we'll see you next one. Peace.